Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Oops. Sorry, guys. Welcome back to a brand new Cir Monopoly video. Ooh, okay. And today, I am going to be doing an insane video where, where I'm today going to be doing a third rematch. Let's go, a third rematch of the Birds versus Spartans. Now, today is the deciding day, the deciding match. Everyone is being put up against each other. And I have actually, since last time, I've doubled the numbers of the chickens. Or the birds, I've made in half the number of other soldiers. And so hopefully, and I've actually significantly decreased the number of archers, because they've like all already died, I think. So hopefully this will be a more even match. Although I suppose it might actually be towards the birds' favor. I might have to do another rematch, I don't know. A fourth rematch would be a little over the top, I think. But, yeah, because I feel like, I don't know, maybe I just went overboard. I'm like mad. I'm like, I don't know what to do, man. So, this is a third rematch, though, because the first and second rematch, the other guys won, so this is like their revenge, I feel like. These guys over here, these big chickens, they have, how much health do they have? Oh, they have 15,000. So yeah, this is not going to be a close one at all. Alright, you know what? We know who's going to win this. So how about, guys, please comment if you have another video suggestion. I'm always open to ideas and stuff. But anyways, today, right now, I think I went a little over the top, so I'm going to remove the mother of all hens. And I'm going to make it from 1,000 to 2,000 Roman archers. I'm going to put them in the back, which I should have done from the beginning. And then this is still a little one-sided. So I'm going to get rid of the free range. Well, actually, I'm not. I'm going to put the free range chicken keep it in the back, and then just have it like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to I don't know, man. I just don't know. I think all these Roman guys aren't powerful enough, so I'm gonna increase the amount of Roman soldiers to 15,000 instead, and then that's gonna be like the main guys. So this, I've made mistakes in the past, but I will make no more today. This is it, guys. Whatever wins this is it. And then that's done. That's that. And then we can move on. Because, we've had, like, this is going to be the third video. And I've already restarted it. So, I just want to I just want to be done with it all. So, here we go. The final battle. What everything is going to come down to. Roman generals, Roman soldiers, battle ducks, Persians, Roman archers, free-ranged chickens, all to decide who is more powerful, the Persians and the Romans, or the birds in this game. Let's see right now. Looks like these guys have more kills. of course, but they have less people, and their archer count is not super high either. Looks like the free-range chickens are also behind the battle ducks, and they are just going away with it. Just so much firepower in these guys here. Looks like one guy. They're kind of actually advancing even more. This is going to be quite the interesting battle, as you can probably tell. And let's see. Let's check the flanks. Oh yeah, this is going to be. Oh, this is actually insane. Alright, Team 2 is getting some kills now with all these birds here. Yeah, alright. Oh no, this is not good. That looks like some Roman generals have actually made it outside the flanks and are now completely decimating the birds here. They don't even know which way to shoot their eggs. Alright, looks like they're now focusing their main fire, all these guys at least, on the generals, which means that they can't be of aid to their friends over here. That is a big mistake made by the birds. Let's see the other flank. How's that doing? Oh wow, a lot better for these guys. Yeah, that's really strong right here. And collapsing that flank on the Persians. The Persians are a lot less powerful than the Roman generals here. Oh my gosh. The Roman generals are more powerful than the very powerful ostriches. Could explain this. This is a very fatal error. Right here. Especially with these Roman archers. This is not looking good. I mean, it looks pretty good over here, though, I must say. Especially all of these guys being decimated by the battle ducks, as well as by these guys. But 2,000 of these archers, not a single one, even a scratch. Whereas you cannot say the same for these guys over here, which are being very confused. And the Spartans, which are just as powerful as the, at least as the ostriches, are also not doing well. Oh my gosh, their middle flank has collapsed. Guys, I think the Spartans really are more powerful than the Persians. Oh my gosh, these guys are starting to get decimated, though. This is definitely going to be decently close, especially with all these battle ducks. Oh yeah, and now the battle ducks are advancing on the archers over here. So I think they have like the same amount of health, 80 each. Oh, and oh my gosh, these guys are coming around this way as well and helping take out the archers. Oh no, but the archers are now being protected by the Roman soldiers here, which there were, at least at the start, 15,000 of them. And they are, other than the Persians, the weakest. They're the weakest Roman here. But they can still do a number on any of these birds. Oh my gosh. More of these guys are piling off. Dang, they didn't get many archers. Although a few of these chickens are still attacking the many archers. And these guys, of course, are still absolutely destroying. Uh-oh, but there's gaps in their flanks. Oh my gosh, there's just so many eggs. How are they standing up to this? This absolute beating. Oh, this is not good at all. Now that the battle ducks have fallen, every last one, it only leaves these ranged guys, and all of this focused fire, it still takes a while to kill take down just one soldier, let alone, how many troops remaining? 18,000. Yep, Team 2 only has, like, 3,500 and dwindling. Fast. Dang. It'd be great to see the birds finally win one. But I guess that's just not possible at this point. gosh. The last few here. I'm gonna take part. Just absolutely. Oh no, I gotta run, I gotta run, I gotta run. No, they're coming at me. Ow! Oh, bro, that guy just stabbed me. That's crazy. I gotta take it someone else. I gotta take someone else. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Oh, I'm getting away, I'm getting away. I'm the last guy remaining. Uh-oh. A few of them are onto me. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh my gosh, bro. That Spartan is like trying to intimidate me out or something over here. Oh no, why'd you do that, bro? Oh man, I died. But like, I thought, why did he do a full 360, bro? Like 360 no scope. You didn't have to do that. You could have just shot and then. Oh my gosh. This guy still has 270 health. And then this Roman over here as well. He's only lost 60 health. Oh my gosh. Very powerful. But yeah, well, that's it, I guess, for this Cir Monopoly video. Comment down below, again, any video suggestions. Any. I don't care what they are. They could be crazy. There's, like, a good chance I'll do them, though, because I'm a pretty crazy person. And I'll see you guys in the next one.